Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got an easy and fun Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of beautiful glam candle holders. So what we'll need is you're going to need a package of 4 of these little candy holders. You're going to need a pack of napkin rings. You're going to need 4 packs of these tea light holders. These are the star shapes. But you can use the round ones if you can't find these star shapes. You're going to need some diamond wrap, scissors, E6000, and also you're going to need some hot glue. So these are the items that we'll need, so let's get started. So now I'm just going to get started gluing these pieces together. So I'm going to be taking some E6000 to do this. I'm just going to be going right around this part of the tea light holder, like so. And the way you want to glue these is you want to alternate them like this. So this is how you're going to line them up. They're going to be alternated. Every other one will be lined up, like so. Okay, now the second one that we're going to be making, instead of using 4 of the tea light holders, I'm only going to use 3. And still the same process, we're just going to be alternating them. They'll dry completely within 24 hours, but I'm going to let them dry for 4 or 5 hours, and then we'll come back and we'll go ahead and finish up the project. And so while we are waiting on the pedestal portions of the candle holders to set up with the E6000, I'm just going to go ahead and start working on other components. So I'm going to be wrapping these with some diamond wrap. And here I'm going to be adding both E6000 and hot glue to these. Okay, and this is how the pedestal portions look. They've been drying for about 4 hours, 4.5 hours. So we're going to go ahead and continue to work with them. They will take at least 24 hours to cure completely. But in the meantime, I've got 2 more of these little cup holders here. And so I'm going to be using these as the base for the candlestick holders. And so you can use E6000 on this, or you can just use hot glue on this. I'm going to use hot glue on these because if for some reason this begins to look bad or starts to peel or flake or gets tarnished, I can always pop it off and replace it with another one. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.